Today we will be showing you how to replace a virtual chassis or interconnect module on a Juniper EX4500 series switch. This procedure only applies to the EX4500 series and should not be confused with the replacement procedure for the EX4550 series. This procedure will require the switch to be powered off, so please schedule downtime accordingly. Please note, the EX4500 switch requires that an interconnect or virtual chassis module be installed in order to boot. You should not attempt to boot your EX4500 without one of these two modules being installed. First, you will need to halt switch operations from the CLI using the command shown on screen. Once that is complete, you can power off the switch by either unplugging the AC power cords or flipping off the circuit to the DC power breaker, depending on what applies to your switch. You can now remove the fan tray from the rear of the chassis. If you are replacing a virtual chassis module, please also remove the cables from it before proceeding. Then you can undo the captive screws and remove the intraconnect or the virtual chassis module from the rear of the machine. Insert the replacement module and ensure it is seated fully before securing it via the captive screws. And then, if you install the virtual chassis module, replace the virtual chassis cables. Replace the fan assembly. Power up the switch using whatever method applies to your specific switch and wait for the switch to boot. Go into the CLI and use the command shown on screen to display the hardware status and verify all is okay. The replacement is now complete. If you have any issues with your virtual chassis or intraconnect module replacement, please contact us at support@therocketplatform.com and we will assist you.